We are pleased to show you the 2018 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, integrated turn signal mirrors. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.